Okay guys, so this is it. This is my room. It's pretty big. It's kind of echoey because look at the roof. It's like a, what, that's a 20 feet ceiling. Uh-oh. Look at that. Water damage. That's not a good sign. Man, the audio is probably pretty crap here. But it is a pretty big room, and I only got it for $8 for 2 nights. The chairs kind of look old, but that's okay. I'm not really going to use it. You got a little table that you can sit down and eat at. You got another table with cigarette burns, a little couch, and you got a kitchen. You get a whole kitchen with a hot plate, a microwave, your kettle, with a sink. You got a ton of silverware, your spoons and whatnot. You got a fridge. This is what I didn't have in the other apartment that I was staying at a different place. The other $8 apartment. There, that's your bell. Here's the bathroom. It looks pretty clean. It's pretty clean and nice. You got a shower, nice little window, toilet. And here we have the main bedroom where everything goes on. This is where it all happens. Got a little bed right here with cigarette burn or something. A whole mirror. The little storage remote for your AC. There's your AC. Man, this is pretty big. You got a separate bedroom. This is a whole apartment. They weren't kidding. Okay, let me show you the balcony here. Okay, that's a private balcony. And here we are at this is like an apartment complex. I guess people live here, and some of these houses are hotels. Maybe this entire building is a hotel. There's a chicken rooster right there, making all the noise. Tons of cigarette butts over there. I think I'm on the top floor. But that's cool. You get a balcony. And I know that I got a pretty good deal because there was a couple people coming in after me, and they were like talking about the room, and I think they were told like $1,500 or something. So that's like 3 times of what I paid. There's a second balcony here. There's a second balcony. Wow, right by the first balcony. Pretty quiet in here. With the rooster, that's gonna wake you up every morning. Nice marble slab. I guess it's a connection for the TV. I forgot to ask for the Wi-Fi. That's important. But as soon as I was trying to check in, he didn't have any internet, so he had to go out to get internet. So I don't know if they're... Whoa! What is that? What is the storage? What do you guys see there? I can't see up there, but it looks like it's a storage of some sort. I've never had that before. It's a secret room in my room. Okay. I guess that's cool. So they don't have the height in the bathroom, so they made an extra room on top. But yeah, these are pretty high ceilings, massive walls, 20-foot walls. That's pretty good. I'm happy. I'm happy with this room. Let me see if I can turn this light on. Nope. It's all on. Everything's on, but this light's not working, I guess. Well, the only thing is the room is a little old, you know. It's been around for a while, I can tell. But it's not a bad deal at all for the price. And here you can snoop into your neighbors. I think I parked my scooter down there. So I can cook my own food. I can do whatever I want. I have a whole house. I got my own bedroom. Oh, I forgot to show you the... Ooh, there's a safe. Uh-oh. There's a safe here where you can store your valuables. I don't have any valuables. Is that... How do you even turn it on? Well, I guess it's not working. Doesn't work. Safe that doesn't work. But it doesn't matter. Let's see if there's anything in there. Ooh, pillowcases. Extra pillowcases in case the ones on there are dirty. Nothing in this one. Spider webs. Noisy little door, but don't have to worry about that since I'm not going to be using that too much. Nothing in this drawer. These are all empty. Okay, so another thing I noticed is there's no toiletries. No toilet paper, no soap. Oh, there is a soap. It's outside. Why is the soap outside? That is weird. All right, doesn't matter. I'm gonna go talk to him about that. Get my soap and my toilet paper, whatever else I need. But that's it. That's a little TV. This TV is a bit too small for this house or this room. But, you know, at least you get a TV. You can chill out on your couch, watch TV. The couch is kind of old too. But I can't complain for the price that I got this room for. It's pretty big, pretty decent. I'm happy. Even with the water damage on this wall, I'm happy. All right, so I guess the audio is a little better in here because of the bed and everything, and the room's a little bit smaller. There's no echo. So I'm gonna take a shower. I need to go get some soap and whatnot. So I'm gonna go get that, take a shower, and then we're gonna head out and we're gonna make some food videos. Can't wait because I'm starving. Train food was ass.